Alright, I just had a request to play a song that I previously did acoustically instead of with an electric guitar. And through the process of when I made the video to now, I've realized some revisions were needed. So I'm going to add those revisions in as well. And this song is My Name is Human by Highly Suspect. Now, I've tuned up the standard. Normally I don't play in standard, but I tuned one of my guitars up in standard, and the song is in the key of D, which you can make one of two ways for the first chord. You can either make it at 5 and 7 using your A string on 5 and your D and G strings on 7 and make a power chord, or you can play it, I'm in drop D. Should have mentioned that first probably, but drop D. So you tune, of course, your lowest string to your D string, and that's how you get to drop D. And so you can either play D like that on 5 and 7, or you can play a D as a power chord with one finger on 12. And they're both a D. And this song is basically between two chords. They're using some kind of synth or something. I'm not really sure. Maybe a detuned bass or a bass with some kind of effect on it to give it such a low, weird kind of sound. But this is, it fits in the key of the song. So you can do a D, to, I believe I called it a B flat in the previous video, but basically I am on 8, my 8th fret in a drop D chord on 8. So it's something like, I'm feeling myself, fuck everyone else, gotta remember that nobody's better than anyone else here, like that. And then there's a walk up before it goes to the chorus. The chorus is still the same chords, but they do a little walk, and this is one of the revisions I found, is that it walks up from, in drop D, 3, 5, 7, 3 and 5, which is a C chord, and then it goes back to your D. Get up off your knees, girl. I can't sing that high, but, you know, just get up off your knees, girl. So, yeah, all together it's something like, I'm feeling up to myself, fuck everyone else, gotta remember that nobody's better than anyone else here. Need some time to think, you know, what they do to you, and what they do to me, must be joking if you think that neither one is free. Get up off your knees, girl, stand face to face with your God. And so yeah, that's the verse and chorus, not in key with my vocals, because whatever, I was just giving the example. And there's some leads involved. Leads are on 10 on your G string. To 12, same string. To 14, and then you do a bend on 14 on your D string down to 12. So all together, it's something like 10, 12, 14, 14, 12. And then the second round, they throw in a higher note on 13, I believe. And so that's the whole leads. The first time it'll go missed the note. But anyway, the second high note is 13 on your B string. And that's leads to play for the song. And it's in D. So if you want to solo in a D minor. And that is that song on acoustic guitar.